Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. This is new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So here this is full back, but you see after long trade, this is head and shoulders. So after this candle, market is supposed to go down because market has rejected from this head and shoulders. You see, but gap down. I will still place put option even though this gap down. I know market is going down, so I place my trade put option. So let's see. No, market is going down, market is changing direction because of this head and shoulders. So let me change the amount. You see market is going down strongly. You see, so you see here this is 20 MA. Market was here just 3 candles. This market is really bad market, too much gap. Let me change. I don't know what's wrong. Let me change. Here major trend is uptrend based on EMA. Let me check another one. This is strong downtrend, strong momentum, and you see this is level. So if market touch any level, market will reverse because of the momentum. If market touch this level, yes, market has touched this level, I will place put option. Yes, I place my trade put option because market has touched this level, so I know definitely market is reversing. So that's why I place my trade, because of this momentum here, strong momentum. But the market is really bad market, but no problem. I know definitely market is reversing, even though market is doing some panic. You see here market is strong sales entry, too much volatility today. We have 3 seconds. You see this is winning trade. So let's change. Here this is full back from 20 EMA, I think, but the major trend is strong uptrend. Major trend is strong uptrend. So let's wait. So if market touch this area, this is strong area here. This is continuation and close above EMA. I'll place call option because of the continuation spinning top close above 20 MA means market is trying to go more higher. Because there is no any level yet, market has not touched any level yet, so that's why I place my trade call option. You see, so market is trying to touch this level. So after this candle, I'm expecting market to reverse. If market close here, let me change another one to analyze better. So here you see this is after prolonged trend. Here up down. This the trend is very strong, but we are far away from 2 deviation. See, market is going down. Market is trying to create double top here. So market has not rejected from any level here, which means the next candle is going down, but with margin of safety. Up, up, up. I want to enter somewhere here. Yes, yes, I end. You see, still market brought me down, but no problem. I know market is going down. I supposed to enter here. It's good margin of safety. Here is double top, and here you see after prolonged uptrend, so market supposed to reverse now. You see strong sellers entry. See, this is winning trade. Let me try to take one more trade, one more good trade with good analysis. Here this is full back from 20 MA, full back from 20 MA, but I'm late. I need margin of safety because of the market situation. So because of the market situation, you see market is rejecting. You see, that's why I told you I need good margin of safety. This is risky market. Let me change. This is retracement up to long uptrend. So this is retracement. This is not full back, but you see I will just place without margin of safety because of the movement of the market. You see market creates strong candle, so you should expect strong candle as well. That's why I just place my trade. without margin of safety, but market is doing some panic, but market has already lost momentum here, so you should expect strong candle. And market is going up. Maybe we have 18 seconds. Maybe at the expiration time, you see market is going down. At the expiration time, you see market is creating strong candle. I'm expecting strong candle here. You see, this is winning trade. I took total 5 trades, all are winning trade based on market analysis. You see here, this is the first trade. I placed put option, but I put only $1. But here you see $5 put option winning trade here, call option winning trade here, put option winning trade, and here put option as well winning trade. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share, comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.